This is a little video just showing on Polaris seats that are connected to the back of the cab right here. When it's just real tight right there, what you want to do is take this plastic trim tool, just push it right in the middle of two clips. These seats, each backrest, there's a clip here and a clip here. These plastic clips that connect into the back of the cab right there. And you're gonna take this, push it right in between the two. That's gonna open up just enough space so then you can pass your nylon strap right down right there. And then you'll be able to pass one and then two straps down there and then be able to connect those on. And then obviously when you're done, you just pull this guy back out. Here's another view so you can see how these clips right here on the back of this seat here clip into these metal bars right there. And so that's what's going on when it's attached to the bar or to the back of the cab, is there's these clips right here and they're clipped over, but the problem is that down below there's screws as well. So the lower portion of the seat is screwed in, as well as this top piece is hooked in right there. And so really, if you to get the straps through, to get these straps through when it's attached on, what you need to do is just push that plastic trim tool right in the middle, right there, in between those two slots, and that's gonna create just enough space so you can pass the straps down.